Today we are going to complete exercise 11.2. We will start from the question number 7. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonals are 45 cm and 30 cm in length. Find the total cost of the polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. So firstly we will find the area of one tile whose shape is given to be rhombus. So area of one tile means rhombus shape is equal to half of d1 into d2. Diagonal 1 is given to be 45 cm and diagonal 2 given to be 30 cm. When you solve it, you will get 675 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of 3000 tiles. 675 centimeter square into 3000. It will become 20,25,000 centimeter square. Now we have to change it into meter square because cost of flooring is given to be in per meter square. So in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters and in 1 meter square there are 100 into 100 centimeter square means 10,000 centimeter square. So we will divide it with 10,000 or you can say 100 into 100 to change it into meter square. When you solve it, you will get 2025 by 10 meter square or 202.5 meter square. Now we will find the cost of polishing the floor. Cost of polishing 1 meter square floor rupees 4. Cost of polishing 202.5 meter square floor 4 into 202.5. When you solve, you will get 810 rupees. This is the cost of polishing the floor. That is the answer. Next is question number 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. ये डायग्राम दी गई है. मीन्स जो साइड अलोंग द रोड है उससे अलोंग द रिवर साइड क्या है? डबल है, ट्वाइस. क्लियर? If the area of the field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of side along the river. So this is the diagram. Let the side along with the road equal to x meters and the side along the river is 2x meters. Clear? Now area of trapezium field is 10,500 meters square. It is given. So we will apply the formula half of a plus b into h. Here a is x, b is 2x and h is 100. That is given. When you solve, you will get half of x plus 2x into 100 meter equal to 10,500. Half of 3x, x plus 2x becomes 3x into 100 equal to 10,500. 2 ones are 2, 2 50s are 100. Cancel हो जाएगा. It will become 3x into 50 means 150x equal to 10,500. Then x equal to 150 अब मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है वेरिएबल के साथ, तो राइट हैंड साइड में जाके क्या आ जाएगा? डिवाइड. 10,500 by 150. When you divide, you will get 70. Means x equal to 70 meter. Therefore, length of the side along the river equal to 2x. So 2 into 70 meter means 140 meter. That is the length of the side along the river. This is question number 10. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it in two different ways. Jyoti's diagram is given here and Kavita's diagram is here. Jyoti is cut the diagram vertically and Kavita horizontally. Find the area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other way of the finding its area? We will find the area of the park by using Jyoti's diagram firstly, then Kavita's diagram. Let's name the figure A, B, C, D, E and this point as F. Then FB is given to be 15. AB is given to be 15 centimeter. Question number 10. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. This is the diagram which is given. This is Jyoti's diagram. She will divide the given diagram. She divided the given diagram vertically, but Kavita divided horizontally. Means one triangle and other is square shape. Here two trapezium. Find the area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other way of finding its area? We will solve by both the ways. Firstly, according to Jyoti's diagram, we will name the given figure A, B, C, D, E and this point as F. AB is 15 meter given, 15 meter. This is also 15 and the complete is of 30 meter. Then FAF equal to FB means half of AB means 15 by 2, 7.5 meter. This is meter. Okay. Now area of trapezium AFDE. Half of A plus B into H means half of FD plus AE into AF, because AF becomes the perpendicular distance between them. Then half of 30 meter plus 15 meter into 7.5 meter. It will become 45 meter into 75 by 10 and half of, when you solve it, you will get 675 by 4 meter square. When you divide, you will get 168.75 meter square. Now area of this trapezium BCDF equal to area of trapezium AFDE. So area of trapezium BCDF equal to 168.75 meters square. To find the area of the complete figure, we have to add the area of both the trapezium. Means area of pentagon ABCDE equal to area of trapezium AFDE plus area of trapezium BCDF. When you add, you will get 337.50 meters square. We will skip the 0, or we can say 337.5 meters square. That is the answer according to the Jyoti's diagram. Now according to Kavita's diagram, ABCDE is the diagram. Firstly, we will find the area of triangle EDC. And this point is, we will name it as M. Then half of base into height. अब देखो complete 30 height है. ये वाली side 15 है. Clear? 15. Then DM becomes 15 meter. And AB is 15, so EC is also become 15 meter. So how we will calculate the area of the triangle EDC? By using the formula half of base into height. Base is EC and height is DM. Then half of 15 into 15 becomes 225 by 2 meter square. When you divide, you will get 112.5 meter square. Now area of square ABCE, whose side is 15 meter. Then side into side becomes 15 into 15, 225 meters square. And area of given figure equal to area of triangle EDC plus area of square ABCE. 112.5 meter square plus 225 meter square. 337.5 meter square answer. And the last question is question number 11. Diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimensions 24 centimeter into 28 centimeter. This is the picture of the frame. Outer dimensions are 24 centimeter into 28 centimeter and inner dimensions are 16 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. So inner dimensions are given to be 16 into 20. So opposite sides are also equal. It will become 16 and it will become 20. Similarly outer में क्या है 24 सेंटीमीटर, ये सेम हो जाएंगे and 28 equal to 20. Here two of the given figures, first and second, are similar in dimensions and also figure 3 and 4 are similar in dimensions. So area of figure 1 is equal to area of figure 2 and area of figure 3 is equal to area of figure 4. But here it is given that width of each section is same. How we will calculate the width, or you can say the perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides. देखो इनर जो डायमेंशंस हैं मीन्स लेंथ है 16 सेंटीमीटर एंड आउटर इज 24 सेंटीमीटर. कितने का डिफरेंस है 8 का. तो इक्वल है, दैट मीन यू हैव टू डिवाइड इट इनटू 2 पार्ट्स. 4 सेंटीमीटर ये हो गया, 4 सेंटीमीटर ये. सिमिलरली इसमें 28 एंड 20 को जब आप लेस करोगे 8 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स 4 सेंटीमीटर ये डिफरेंस है, 4 सेंटीमीटर ये डिफरेंस है. Then now area of figure 1, area of trapezium, half of a plus b into h, half of 16 plus 24 into 4, half of 40 into 4 becomes 80 centimeter square. So area of figure 1 equal to area of figure 2, so is equal to 80 centimeter. Now area of figure 3, area of trapezium, formula apply करेंगे. Half of 20 into 28 है इसमें, 20 into 28 and perpendicular distance equal to 4 into 4. So half of 48 into 4, it will become 48 into 2, 96 centimeter square. So area of figure 3 equal to 96 centimeter square. Also area of figure 4 is equal to the area of figure 3. So area of figure 4 is also equal to 96 centimeter. So area of each section is 80 centimeter square, 80 centimeter square, 96 centimeter square, 96 centimeter square. Clear? That is the answer. Thank you, students.